Okay, so today we're looking at another security camera. This one's from a company called Owltron, because owls' heads go around, I guess, like The Exorcist. This is one of these like swivel type full control little indoor, as far as I can tell, Wi-Fi smart cameras. And you can see just here what they have to say about it. Now, not a bad price. I think this is US dollars, 37 bucks right now on sale. That's pretty good. They have a little video if you guys want to watch it. Mount it anywhere, sweet. See and hear what matters in your house. Yeah, I'm down with you. It says it has a day and a night mode, so that's kind of nice. Night vision, zone detection, 1080p, two-way audio. They do have this kind of cool little thing too. There's your app, Little Elf, I guess. They have this privacy thing where you can, looks like, mark sections off so the camera can't actually turn into that once it hits that privacy section. Let's say you have it in your bedroom, for instance, and you're not that, maybe, I don't know. Hey, what you do is all you. You be you. Save all moments that matter to the cloud or locally. Maybe if you're doing bedroom stuff, maybe locally is better. Easy to set up. And this is the thing. Yesterday we reviewed a camera. Not easy to set up, at least not for me. This one here says plug in the camera, download the app, and that's it. That's it. That's what they say. So we're going to take a look at what comes in the box, and we're going to set it up here just to see how it functions, and then I'm gonna use it in my room from this point forward, I guess. We'll see. Okay, so this is it. Now they're saying this is super easy to install. Before I open it, there's the box, Owltron. There's all your goodness on the back if you're interested at all in any of that, and some more goodness. It does say encrypted. Do you trust it? I don't know. It's really your call, I guess. It doesn't look like it has any connectivity to like Google or Alexa or anything like that. At least it doesn't say so on the box. Download the app. Okay, so there is a QR code right there. So we're gonna do this and see if it will grab it. Let's see. Anything? Yep. Little elf. All right. That is coming down right now. So we'll get that running in the background. Now, guaranteed, that's something that you're going to have to set up an account for. So I'll do that. You guys don't have to watch me set up an account, but we will set up the camera on this camera on camera. So you guys can maybe see if it is as user-friendly as they say it is. If it is, super good, because some of these cameras can take a little bit of coaxing. Like, oh, there's sticky stuff on here. Okay, there we go. And what are you getting? Top box, you get wall anchors. I'm not going to need them, but good to have. You are getting, oh, that's nice. You are getting a little power plug. Sweet that they give you one. Super happy about that. More garbage, throw that down there. Wall mount. If you're going to mount this on the wall by any means, I'm going to mount it on a shelf, so I don't think I'll need that. But again, super awesome. And a nice, lovely cable. So you're looking at USB-A to USB-C. Excellent length, very good. And you get a little, like, CA approved. And what's this? You get a ruler for QR code net pairing. I don't quite understand what that means, but it is what it is, I guess. Cool. And last but not least, maybe, I think I opened it. No, I didn't. I was gonna say I opened it from the bottom, but that's, no, I didn't. Okay, that's it. There is a manual. Just before we crack that open, there is your Owltron right there. The manual doesn't have a lot. We have launched a function in the app. Please click live chat. Cool. If you want to chat with them, contents. Yeah, easy setup. Download this. That's really, there's not much. There's not much here. The hope is I don't have to come back to you. And then last but not least, there we go, is the camera. I love little cameras like this. They're just cute. They're just cute. You see? Right? Where are you? Owltron. And then this has a sticker. It's like a Megatron, but Owltron. It's the new Transformers with the Beast Mode stuff. Now, I saw this on a different one too, so just kind of realize this. If you tilt it up, that's where your SD card goes, right in here. Because what happens is a lot of times this is pivots down like so, and you're like, SD card goes in where? And you think it's back here, and it's not. There's all your speaker stuff on the back right there. Micro USB, of course. I'm guessing this is either the power or maybe like reset. You do have a tripod mount, which is really cool. Maybe I'll put it on a tripod in there. Ooh, now things are... that's probably not a bad idea. Okay, all right. So we are using this. Yes, we are. Okay. And one of them is going in here. Okie dokie. And then the other one is going... I don't want to turn it on yet. Okay, so before I turn it on, we're going to you guys, here's the app, right? I'm going to open the app. I agree. Sign up. So I got to sign up. You may be able to sign up like with Facebook. Please check this. I'm trying to. Facebook. Yes. No. Apple. Yes. Okay, that's better. That was easy here. Okay. Good. It says I'm going to take data analysis. Allow us to collect data to... No, I don't. No. Negative. Okay. Notifications, Bluetooth, add device. Yep. Continue. Yep. Add device. Let's see how easy it is. Little Elf Smart App is requesting the following permissions. Yeah, that's fine. It says turn on Bluetooth, and I said yes. Yes, there you go. And I guess based on these images, smart camera Cam W1. Is that what I have? Is it a Cam W1? Already, you're like, what model am I rocking here? Is that what this is? It says model LFP31. All right, so well, it says this one says W1 white. So I'm going with W1. I'm doing W1, okay? Turn on power. All right. Turn on power. So that's that you're rocking. Turn on power. Please wait 30 seconds to hear the prompt tone. Yeah, I got a little light in the front. That's good. You guys may or may not see that. Right? There's a little light down there. It's not bright, but it's there. I gotta wait.
Wait to connect.
Oh, okay. Please wait 30 seconds to hear the prompt tone. The indicator light flashes as shown above, and wait for the network to be assigned. Click Next. Note the red light is solid. Click the Reset Device Detailed tutorial. It is flashing. Indicator is blinking. Yes, indicator is blinking. Okay. All right, so now I have to go into enter your Wi-Fi name above or do this. So very similar to what I had to do yesterday. So I'm going to say allow. Yes, that's what I want. I know the password because I did it all yesterday. You guys don't necessarily need to know my network and password. I'm hitting next. Please place this in front. Okay, ready?
Start connect.
I'm guessing it did something. It said something, right? I heard a prompt. Yes. Connecting.
Connect success.
All right, boom. Connect success. That was fast. Scan devices. Things are moving. That's good. Security camera. So I'm going to call this. I'm going to edit that. And I'm going to call it. It's moving around. Office security camera. Done. I think it's moving around. Yeah, look. Do you see it? It's spinning all over the place. You guys can see that, right? See? Whoa. Okay, the setup was decent. It was decent. You just need to know your password for your network. Image quality seems okay. I am in HD right now, I think. There's HD and SD. depending on what you want. I'm going back to HD. Sweet. I'm going to shoot some video here. Ready? And wait. What does it say? Upload images for custom avatars. What does that mean? I don't know. All right, there we go. Allow access. Okay. Okay, done. Recording. Now, you guys are, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can at least see it. And my thought would be, at this point in time, I should be able to have like a little control. Maybe this is control? No, that's that way. Oh, there it is. So when I'm in this mode here, I can I move this around? Yes, yes, sir. Fairly responsive. How high can you go? Oh, you can go all the way up. Yeah, you can go like all the way up and then do a cool little. That's kind of neat actually, that you can do that. And then I can go down, which is the back side. See, there's my monitor that I look at. You guys see that? Am I going the right way? Oh, I can't go anymore that way. It's got to come this way. Okay, so how far? It can probably almost go. Does it go completely a 360? Yeah, it's pretty close to a full 360, which is awesome. And it goes like all the way up. And downwise, if I bring my camera down here and go all the way down, it goes down all the way till it pretty much is about to see the base. But responsive is good, and you guys are seeing the quality. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. I like that. That'll work really well. All right, guys. That's the Owltron. Can I stop recording on this? I think I can. Somehow. Yep. Click. Recording stopped. Sweet. Yeah. You know what? That's not a bad. $37. $37. You got a little robotic, the move it around camera. Now, my guess is too, if you feel like it, there probably is cloud storage if you want. Of course, there's an SD card, which is what I'll put in there. You have a private mode. That's probably the one that I kind of like, private mode. If you click on this, device is in sleep mode. Yeah, don't turn on the camera. Okay. So now if you went to private mode, device is in sleep mode. Retrieving private mode. That I'm not too sure. Oh, maybe I have to have a cloud account maybe for that feature. Possibly. Turn on the camera. See, it's like, yeah, we're good. Cool. And then I'm like, privacy mode. And it says, no privacy mode for you. Okay, that's fine. Theme colors, gallery, playback, private mode, motion tracking, night mode. Yep. What is this? Theme color. Oh, just dark mode. I want dark mode. Dark mode's prettier. And then if you go to the cloud, just so you know, you can subscribe. And I'm sure it's got a fee to it. So if I come here, I'm just looking. Yeah, so there's your fees. $4.99 a month, all the way up to, I guess the best deal would be like a 3-year plan at $85, which probably isn't bad, right? My hope would be that you could, yeah, so see, this is, and it does, this one here, when you do like the basic plan or the long-term ones, it's for 3 devices. So if you have 3 cameras of these, then that's not horrible, I guess. And they do have a 14-day trial. So if you want to try it and see what you think of it for one device, then have at her, right? Credit card or PayPal. All right. I'm just going to use an SD card. All right, guys. That's it. That's all I'm doing. It's nice. It works fine. It's nothing wrong with this at all. I will leave comments down below if for whatever reason it changes. But for now, I'm going to mount this in my little studio room. And I think it'll be a nice little security camera if I want to just make sure that everything down there is working. Because I can kind of pan around and do all kinds of fun stuff. All right, guys. Links to Owltron Cam's website. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I will see you fine folks tomorrow. Later.